In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move slides in Google Slides. To begin, open your browser and head to the Google Slides website. If you aren't already signed in, sign in so you can access your presentations. From your home screen, either open an existing presentation you want to work on or choose a template to start fresh. This gives you a project to apply your changes and see them in context. Once your presentation is open, look toward the top of the screen for the option labeled Transition or Animation. In Google Slides, this opens the motion panel on the right side, where you control how one slide moves to the next, as well as how individual elements animate. Today, we're focusing on slide transitions, which affect the flow from one slide to another. Animations, by contrast, control how items on a slide appear or move within that slide. With the motion panel open, select the transition you want for the currently selected slide. You'll see options like fade, slide in from different directions, and other movement styles. Pick something that matches the tone of your presentation. For example, a subtle fade works well for professional decks, while a slide-in effect can add a bit more energy for creative work. Try a few to compare how they feel. Next, adjust the transition level. In Google Slides, this usually means controlling the speed or duration of the transition. A shorter duration makes the movement quick and snappy, while a longer duration feels smoother and more cinematic. If you're presenting to a live audience, a slightly faster transition often keeps momentum, while recorded or more visual-heavy presentations may benefit from a slower pace. If you like the transition and want your entire presentation to feel consistent, click Apply to all slides. This instantly sets the same transition across your deck, saving you from repeating the setup on each slide. If you prefer a tailored look, leave it off and set individual transitions for key moments such as section breaks. Finally, click play or preview in the motion panel to review how the transition looks. This lets you see the timing and style in action before you present. If anything feels too fast, flashy, or slow, fine-tune the duration or choose a different transition and preview again. A quick review now helps ensure your slides move smoothly, look polished, and support your message instead of distracting from it. That's it. You've set up clean professional slide movement in Google Slides using transitions, ready for a confident presentation.